Okay, so in this video, I plan on doing more of the getting a build happening. So in the last video, we made a module, but I consider that a dev module because I'm not sourcing my functions in, and you don't actually want that for something you're going to publish to the gallery. Actually, for something you're going to install in your box because it slows it down. And I need to review, the PSM one for some best practices. So let's actually jump into that first, because I feel like if I don't do that right now, I'm going to forget about it. So let's get back over to my screen here, and let's see where I'm at. CD module, and code the PSD one. And we'll make some tweaks in here. So let's look through this. This first part's good. Company name, self, sure. The description. Let's go ahead and just work through this guy, right? Convert an error record into a breakpoint. PowerShell version, host, CLR, required modules. I think all these are good. God, I thought that was fixed. Oh well. Functions to export. So we're wrong here. We only have one at the moment. Convert to breakpoint. Now for these should be empty arrays. It's a performance thing. And those are all good. PS data. Tags. I'm gonna add a tag for PS Core, I think. PowerShell core module tag. How do I need to specify that? Tag PS gallery. Sorry, I thought this would be a quick search real quick. Yeah, I'll come back to that. I will come back to that. So tags, I'll leave it empty for now. License URI. Well, let's do start github.com. And we'll do repositories, our module. I have a license, and we will just place this right in here right now. Project URI. Now, you don't have to do these on everything, but I'm doing this because I actually plan on publishing this, right? And I will definitely need those then. Release notes, PS data, command prefix. Okay, so as this basically for these things here. So now that all looks good. So let's close that, and then let's see here. Let me take a pick of my test in another module. Let's do pushd.ps. Actually, let's do select AST, because I just did this module the other day, or not too long ago. Tests. Get content. Help tests. Yeah, I like that one. Let's copy item help tests to convert to tests. And then, what else have I got? Get content, help project tests. We'll start with those. Project tests. Then, with that, let's go back to our folder here. Actually, let's go in here and take a peek at those tests. Help tests. Or module name. What's my module name? Convert to breakpoint. All right. You know what? I don't like this on this module. I don't think I need it. Functions. Okay, so we're going to do a expand aliases. Okay. Get command for each function in the help. It has a description, has an example. If and the parameter has a description. Okay, I'm good with that. Help tests, that's a good set of tests. And then let's look at the project tests. This guy might be a little more complicating. Let's see, module name is convert to breakpoint. Do I need this? Module root should be script root slash module slash, yeah, we'll do that. Right? That should be the root of my module. Get script analyzer rules. Oh, we got where objects again. Aliases. Let's grab this guy. I need to fix this in my other module too. Grab everything, sure. Oh, script analyzer. The rules, sure. General project validation. You import cleanly. And I'll come back to that one. Okay. So now I have some script analyzer rules going on here. I think I need the default set of rules though. So let me do push D dot select AST. I thought I had some base rules in here. I guess I don't. I guess we'll roll with that. All right. So let's get module. Am I still loaded here? I am. Okay. Invoke tester. Cannot find path. Oh, you know what? I remember doing that previously. Beautiful. So what happened here is I passed my help checks and my script analyzer rules, both my PSC1 and my PSM1. Excellent. So what else do I need to change on this? Nothing. I'm happy with that. So let's get status, get add, get commit my message, add help and script laser validation. Perfect. All right. So, okay. So this video, I just got a couple files dropped on the help because I wanted the script analyzer and the help tests. So the value of this is now if I or anybody else adds a function to this module, those tests will walk and parse the files and catch it so everything new coming in gets the analyzer rules and it gets the validation we want on the help, and make sure there's an example for every function that gets added. So it helps keep the project honest going forward. So now, I think next video we'll make a build, an actual build, and that one will be more interesting, I think. Okay, so in this video, I want to actually get a build, like a real build, happening, so that I can actually have a publishable module. So far, like I said, I've got a dev one, I've got all my tests, and I've been really kind of taking my sweet time on it. But what I really want to see is is an actual build happening. So let's jump into it. If I can take this one here, and what do we got now? So I've got my module, and I have another module. Let's go take a peek at it. Push D, PS graph. I have lots of things in here that I might want to take. Let's get, yeah, copy item. I want my build. I want my module build. And anything else I want moved? Oh, there's also a app voyeur YAML. Deploy. If I want to deploy. README requirements, license, fingerprint. Ooh, get ignore. I probably want to get ignore too. Get ignore the destination of convert. Cool. All right. Now I need to tear these apart. So I like having the build script, but there's some nuances that I don't like, and I'm just gonna fix those right out of the gate. Make dir build tasks. Okay, and then what else I need to do? Let's just jump into it. All right. Code the module build. Okay, so this is a monster of a build script. and I realize that. So the first thing I want to do is tear that apart and make it not such a monster. I think, I need to update my module on that though. Install module, invoke build, force, allow clobber, scope, current user. Let's just get that guy running. Okay, so I think I'm behind a couple of versions on my invoke build. Oh no, there's no dash. So I want to make sure that's updated to the most recent. And in doing that, I'm going to start tearing these steps out. So for my tasks, I want to come over here and say new file in that build folder. Clean dot task dot ps1 and place it in there. And this is the pattern I actually want to do across this whole module. I should have done this before I did this video, but wait, what did I just pull out? Unit tests. I'm not going to run unit tests. Let's run full tests. Build task, vertical sky, full test dot task dot ps1. Full test is done. Delete that now. Specification, I might need specifications. Copy to output. I think I leave this guy as is. Build tasks new. Copy to output dot task dot ps1. Alright, so I'm just making quick work of this because he's just a monster the way it is. And I've learned on another project I had, if I slice this guy out, it's actually kind of easier to manage. .ps1. I'll just collapse him and move him. Alright, let's close others. Ooh. You know what, I'll do that for now. Alright. Actually, I'm going to stop the video for a second. Yeah, I'm going to... So, what I'm going to do is just continue on working on this. I'm actually going to cut the video, slice this file up, and I'll come back. I don't want to just have you watch me through just a bunch of copying and pasting. Shouldn't take me too long.